Hello students, I wanted to create this video so you all could see how you're going to complete your first at-home assignment as we transition into this online learning format. So please watch the video and then you'll be able to access the assignment and complete it. First thing you're going to want to do is log into your Prince William County Microsoft account, which you can see I am at that home page right now. So I will go ahead and log in. From here, you're going to then click All Apps, and then you'll need to scroll down and you're going to be looking for the app which is called Clever, which you'll see is right here. I'll click on that as well. And then in Clever, you will be able to then find one of our resources, which is called Everfi. And then that is where you will actually be completing the assignment in the Everfi app. So you'll need to click on that. And then when you open the Everfi, you will see the course come up as prescription drug safety. And this button here should just say start. And that's where you will start the course. And the course consists of 6 different modules where you will be taking a test. You will be watching videos. You will be reading different content that goes along with prescription drug safety. And at the end of each module, you will need to score a 80% or better on each of those tests in order to get credit for completing this assignment. Let's say you can only do 1 or 2 of the modules out of the 6, and then you have something else you need to go do. That is completely fine. You can leave the Everfi app and then log back in later on and continue your progress. So there is nothing that says you have to get it done in one sitting. So please go ahead and try to log into your account and start this assignment. Thank you very much.